never get lighting here. Check this out. Can't really see it. There it is. Yeah, you can see it now. It's super strange. It's almost eerie, like a movie entry or something. Wow. You never get it here. Awful. It's like thunderous and way in the way back. It's 52 miles away or something.
During the lightning storm, there was hail. I think there was a tornado.
As great as the light. It's trippy. Oh, that's a good one. Let's see if we have a report on that. 4,000, 5,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000. It's over 10 miles away. It's trippy. Totally lights the trees up. It's almost like art. It's just ridiculously. We never get lighting. Never get lighting. It's so trippy. Wow. It's odd. It won't focus either. It won't stay.